If you want to install the YouTube app on your PC and then uninstall it later, this video will walk you through both steps in a simple and safe way. This is a great option if you want YouTube to feel more like a regular desktop app instead of just opening it in a browser tab. It can make access faster, keep things organized, and even add a shortcut to your desktop and start menu. And if you ever decide you don't need it anymore, I'll also show you exactly how to remove it in just a few clicks. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. This process works directly from the Chrome browser, so you don't need to download anything extra from a website or the Microsoft Store. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top and type youtube.com, then press enter. Wait for the YouTube website to fully load. After the page opens, look to the right side of the address bar. In many cases, you'll see an install icon that looks like a small screen or computer with a download arrow. This icon tells you that Chrome can install YouTube as a web app. When you see that icon, click it. A small pop-up window will appear asking if you want to install YouTube. This is the confirmation step, so take a second to make sure it says YouTube before continuing. Then click Install. Chrome will begin installing the app, and after a moment, it should launch automatically. Once the installation is complete, YouTube will open like a normal Windows app, which makes it easy to use without always starting from the browser. You may also notice that Chrome creates shortcuts for the app. In most cases, YouTube will appear on your desktop and in your start menu, so you can open it quickly whenever you need it. That means you don't have to type the website address every time. You can simply click the shortcut and go straight into YouTube. Now, if you ever want to uninstall the YouTube app from your PC, that's just as easy. Start by opening a regular Google Chrome window again. In the address bar, type chrome://apps and press enter. This opens the Chrome apps page, where all installed web apps are listed. Look for the YouTube app icon in the list. Once you find it, right-click the YouTube icon to open the context menu. From there, click Uninstall. Chrome will ask you to confirm the removal, so click Uninstall again to finish the process. After that, the YouTube app will be removed from your computer, and the shortcut should no longer appear as an installed app. And that's it! You've now learned how to install the YouTube app on your PC and how to uninstall it whenever you want. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.